Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Instagram to TikTok business account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to switch my account from personal account to the business account. I'm going to go to the profile menu, and then I'm going to click on these three lines, and then I'm going to go to the settings and privacy, and we can go to the account. Okay, and I'm going to switch to business account. I'm going to tap on that, and then click on next, and next, and next again, next, and then continue. Okay, and then I'm going to choose a category. I'm just going to choose, for instance, beauty. Okay, click on next, and I'm just going to skip it. Okay, and I'm just going to click on this exit button. All right, and now my my TikTok account has been turned into a business account. Wait, I'm going to refresh it. Okay, I have business suite option after I turned my TikTok account to business account. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can link our Instagram to our TikTok business account. We can go to edit profile and then go to the links, and here, since we want to link our TikTok account, TikTok business account to Instagram, we need to select Instagram. Okay, and we have to enter our username and also our password to log into Instagram. You can add your username and password here, and you just need to click on login. Or if you don't have Instagram account, you can create an account, and you can also use your Facebook account that you have linked to your Instagram account. And I'm going to show you how it works. If you select Facebook, you can add your email address or mobile number of your Facebook and also your password. Okay, you can simply do that, and then the TikTok business account will be linked to Instagram account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to link Instagram to TikTok business account. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.